Hey everyone, it's the season of parties. And so, let's make a delicious and easy yogurt cilantro dip that can be used with your crackers, tempura, you can add on tacos, samosas, literally anything that you like. To make this, you need half cup of hung curd, a handful of fresh cilantro or coriander, 2 pods of garlic, 1/4 inch of ginger, 1 green chili, you can add more depending on your spice level. We will use juice of 1 lime or lemon and salt to taste. Next, take a blending jar and add in all the ingredients one by one. And now, time to blend all of this together.